Hi, welcome to another sales promotional video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. In this video we'll be showcasing our fresh into stock Land Rover Freelander. It's a Freelander 2, it's an XS, it's a Commandshift, diesel automatic. It's the later model with a refreshed grille and headlamps and a slightly better shaped rear tailgate. Covered 89,000 miles, has a full service history, recently had the cam belt replaced, and at 75,000 miles it had the rear Haldex oil change. As you can see, metallic grey, front fogs, headlamp washers, privacy glass. This car has a removable tow bar and the swan neck is in the boot. Rear park sensors, alloy wheels with a good tyre, another alloy with a good matching tyre. Inside it has the half leather and suede. On the seats, which are electrically adjustable and heated seats. No wear at all, lovely condition. Obviously multifunction wheel with cruise control, satellite navigation, Bluetooth for your phone and music playback, DAB, digital radio, as I say, heated seats and Commandshift automatic. Fitted mats, fitted mud flaps. There is a load cover in the boot and there is a boot protector mat on the boot floor. Full size alloy spare wheel, which they don't all have. Very good service history, obviously particularly well looked after this car. There's the tow bar, it is a Witter. Load cover, boot liner, and under here is full-size alloy spare wheel with a virtually brand new Continental tyre. See the rear park sensors there, mud flaps. Really nice car, superb condition inside and out, drives really well. Clean and fresh on the interior, not had a dog in it or anything. Full MOT. As I say, Alpine Hi-Fi folding mirrors, electric windows, electric mirrors. 89,018 miles. Not worn at all, the driver's seat. Priced at £9,495. Really lovely example with the cam belt and water pump replaced and the Haldex oil service. So it's got front park sensors as well. £9,495. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk to see our other stock, and we usually have more than one Freelander in stock. Or visit Barclay Motor Company's social media channels, Barclay Motor Company on Facebook or Instagram, or please go to YouTube where this video will be hosted and all of our car videos are hosted. If you find the Barclay Motor Company YouTube channel, please subscribe and then you'll be the first to get a little notification each time we upload fresh stuff. Thank you for your time today. Goodbye.